Hey guys, welcome back to IT IQ Ways, where I'll be showing you how we finish assembling our system unit here. It's finally getting to the stage where we can call it a system unit. Now all we gotta do is finish connecting our power supply to our motherboard, connecting our fan to our motherboard, and then we're all finished and we're ready for booting. Alright, so as I go through, I'm going to explain to you guys what each of these cables are for and how they work. Now, first one I'm going to be tackling before I get to the power supply is these cables right here. You see these cables right here? They mean nothing to you. Now these cables, they're actually for the power button here. Right? This is what it's for. This one right here. So when you press the button here, it turns the computer on, or when you press it, it shuts it down. Now if you hold it down, it also shuts it down. So all these cables that you see here, they're for different functions that that button performs. Right? Now this cable is just tucked around here out of the way. Now this cable right here, it goes on these pins right here. Now there is a key on this. So if you look on here, you can see where it has one spot here that is not, there's no hole there, right? That means on the motherboard there should be a missing sprung or a uh, missing pin, right? There should be a missing pin. Good, so we're gonna line up this part here with the missing pin, and we see where it's this one right over here. So we're gonna plug it in, hoping that you can see this. So this right here, we're gonna plug it in right there. Good, all snug. And to be tidy, have it right there. We're gonna put it behind here also, and we're gonna tuck it behind here also. Good, just to be as neat and tidy as possible. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to connect this fan. So the part that connects this fan is right here. Right, so we're going to take this, and also there is a key right here, so it fits over that. So hoping you can see, we're going to place it right over that. Here we go. That's done. Right, now we're gonna move to our power supply, and now before we get there, we have these black cables right here, and these black cables are for the USB and the headphones and microphone. Right, now those are connected on the motherboard also. So those two cables are right here. Right here. Good. Now these are color coded, as you can see. They're color coded, so we know where they're supposed to go. Now the green one here, it goes to the green one right here. So we're gonna connect that. Now bear in mind, not all motherboards are color coded for all of these things. This motherboard was made specially for this chassis, right? So that's why you can see all of those color coding there, and makes it so easy for these. Not that we can't use other motherboards in here, we can, but not all the parts would be compatible. So this part here goes to the part with the yellow. We just punch that in and we're all done. Alright, so now the USB connectors here will work, and so will our headphones and microphone. Good. So now let's get to the final part of it, which is connecting the power supply to the motherboard. And there are only two connectors here that we need to fix or connect, and then we're all done. So the first one is right here. We call this our AUX or aux cable, right? The motherboard can work without it. You don't need this. Well, you do need it for this specific motherboard, but it still can work if this is not connected. It's just that you won't, certain features that the motherboard would provide won't operate properly. All right, so this aux here, it goes over here, and again has a key. So it only goes in one way. So we just put it right over here, right? So connected, right? Then the last one is this bad boy here that carries a lot of cables, right? And we try as best as possible to keep this out of the way. So I kind of wrapped it around here. So this part goes here. It has a lock, a key right here again that goes on there. And we're just gonna flip it on gently. And there we go. Okay. And there we go. It's all done, right? And there we have it. We just assembled a system unit, right? Now when we plug our power in and push that power button, everything here should operate normally. The last thing that we need to do is cover it up, right? So we take our cover here, and we're gonna just slide it in there, and we're gonna lock it up, get our screws, and we just screw it on. Next one, screw it on. There we go. Now in our next video, we're gonna power on our system unit, meaning we're gonna connect our power. Right, we're gonna connect our power. We're gonna connect our VGA, our monitor. And we're gonna connect our USB, which will be our keyboard and mouse. And we're gonna see what happens then. So join me in the next video for the exciting part of what we've been building the CPU for. Thank you again for watching, and just hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, if you've learned something from this, so I can make some more videos and share a lot of real good basic tips that will help you out. As always, my viewers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching my video. Go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, share my video with persons out there who you know this may benefit, and see you in the next video. This is IT IQ Wiz. Thank you all for watching.